design, I'm going to put my artwork over gel polish. This is green 102 maniQ color from Young Nails. I've already applied 2 layers of gel polish, cured it for the appropriate time, leaving that sticky dispersion layer on the nail. And now I'm using an inexpensive natural bristled brush to dab on my 3 colors of glitter. Because that sticky layer is still there, the glitter adheres to it very well. And then I'm going to press the glitter down into the gel polish. This creates a smoother surface. Apply my gel top coat, cure for the appropriate time. This time remove the sticky layer and just lightly buff the surface to get it dull for my nail art application. Here I'm going to use black acrylic craft paint. The brush I'm using is a 20/0 liner brush, and I'm just going to paint 3 swoopy lines across the nail. One more. There we go. Now I'm going to paint some circles. To create these little bubbles, it's easier if you do them half at a time. 1 half and the other half. Seems to create the most symmetrical bubbles. Smaller one. Fill in that little notch. And a couple more. It's best to brace your painting hand with your pinky. It gives you a steadier, better control of your brush. I'm trying to make sure that you guys can also see what I'm doing. Small circle. Fill in the little notch. A larger circle, and now a smaller circle. This looks more like bubbles. Bubbles usually come in lots of different sizes. Fill in the notch. And a couple more. See how I'm bracing with my pinky? Makes you have a lot steadier hand when you're painting. Two halves. Perfect. Okay, now just fill in that little notch. I like that. Now I'm going to highlight with some white paint. I do a lot of nail art with just black and white paint. It's amazing how just a little accent makes a design pop. Now I'm going to put some highlights in the bubbles. It's really important that your paint is not too thick. When you're doing this, you can thin your acrylic paint by adding water and shaking the bottle up. It does thicken up over time. So just add a little water, make sure it flows off your brush. And once that's dried, apply your gel polish top coat. Cure for the appropriate amount of time. Remove that sticky dispersion layer and you're done.